Today we're going to talk about this WS-100, the WS-100 for ductless mini splits. It's a water switch, a safety switch. Now, what's really cool about it is with this polyurethane probe. It's 100% polyurethane with stainless steel pins, and all mini splits have not one but two drain ports. Now we're using the unused drain port. So you'll have your condensation on one, and then we'll be putting our probe. You just got to get it snug. We'll show you what it looks like inside. Can you see the probes inside there? So when the water level rises above, they'll shut off the air handler and send real-time alerts to the HVAC tech. Another feature of our polyurethane probe is if it's in a small 9,000 or 10,000 and it's bottoming out on a coil inside, if it's hitting something on the other side, we could trim this back. You use a razor blade and trim it back, and it'll come off like this, and then you could trim it just like this. 1, 2, and now you have a shorter probe. It'll fit in a 9,000 or a 12,000, and we've seen on Daikin and some other units where it could hit the coil and not seat in the tray. And if that happens, you'll have to trim that back. Today we're going to talk about the WS-100 water switch for mini splits. Let's talk about the LED indicators. This indicator here is red when it senses water. The green status light is normally green. And then you have a blue Wi-Fi LED, which we'll get to in a moment. Our white wire, when you're installing it, our white wire right here is the communication wire that runs through the module completely untouched. Now if you're working on Mitsubishis or Korean units, you be careful and put your red to our white, because our white is communication. On Mitsubishis and Daikins and some of the Korean units, the communication wire is red. What's really great about this is that it has a 10-second delay. So when it senses water for 10 seconds, it'll shut off the system and send the Wi-Fi alerts. If it does not sense water for 10 seconds, again, it will bring the unit back on and send another text alert that says, no water detected, system back on. Okay, you'll have to download the app. It's downloadable on Apple or on Samsung, and this is for programming the module on your customer's Wi-Fi, which is free. The app is free and the customer's Wi-Fi is free. Now it takes about 5 minutes for this to show up on the Wi-Fi to program, and that's because the Comcast routers take almost 5 minutes to reboot. So be patient when you're hooking it up, please. The SSID number is right here, this SS number. It'll be on a sticker on the label, or if you peel back this black label, it should be etched in there if you can't find it on the Wi-Fi. Now, once you connect it to the Wi-Fi, it will disappear off the Wi-Fi, so nobody could try to hijack it or find it or what have you. The blue light blinks during Wi-Fi connection and becomes solid once the connection is secured. If water is detected for 10 seconds, it will shut off the system and send Wi-Fi alerts, well, email and text alerts to the HVAC tech. Up to 4 different individuals, email and text. Sometimes the homeowner likes to be included on this to be part of the team. We also provide decals for the air handler with QR code, which will take you to the website. The inspectors love this.